Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try green striped shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black and white printed polo t-shirt with cream pants and black loafers. Next you can try green and white striped shirt with off-white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try blue pattern shirt with off-white pants and black loafers. Next you can try teal green half sleeve shirt with navy blue pants and tan boots. Next you can try white oversized printed shirt with black pants and black sandals. Next you can try black pattern half sleeve shirt with white pants. Next you can try dark grey polo t-shirt with light grey pants and black loafers. Next you can try black t-shirt with cream pants and black sandals. Next you can try tan printed shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of May month.